Now we can adjust the place of these two cylinders, this one. We can create cylinder here by AutoGrid. Then I will click Shift to move this one. Okay, from front we can select this and this and the pictures and click Alt Q to adjust the place of these two cylinders. Like this. Then we can draw line to make this part. Line like this. It's okay. I will select SP line and then choose outline, and I can increase the radius. Then in this part I can add or refine the point here. Then I can move this point to adjust this. After that I can select these 2 points, or I can select one of them and then make fillet to make it more smooth here. Then I can select to refine other vertex here and move it like this, and refine point here and then move it like this. Okay, now we can corner this and then fillet this vertex again and fillet this. It's okay. Now we can extrude these lines again like this. It's okay. Okay. In this extrusion we can add more segments to make this part like this. Then we can put tessellate to add more segments with tension 0. We can add more segments from here. Then we can put mesh smooth modifier to make smooth edges like this.